Welcome to the Introduction to Intro to Computers. Logging into the computer. To log into the computer, use the first 3 letters of your first name and the first 4 letters of your last name, followed by the digit grade year. If your last name only has 3 letters, add a space between the last letter of your last name and the graduation year. If you cannot get logged in, please let your teacher know. Your password is your student ID.
Accessing Google Classroom. Open up a tab in Google Chrome. Log in to your Google Drive. Once in Google Drive, go to the Google Apps, that would be the 9 dots on the right side at the top. Then select Google Classroom from the list. Click on the plus sign and type in the classroom code that your teacher will give you. Then select your class. Once you have typed in the classroom code, you can access Google Classroom anytime by first logging into your Google Drive, second, clicking on the Google Apps and selecting Google Classroom, then selecting your class. Once you are in Google Classroom and inside your class, at the top of the website you will see 3 tabs: Stream, Student Work, and Student or People. Google Classroom Stream. Streaming is a stream or a list or a live view of all the work assigned in Google Classroom. Looking at student work. Student work contains all of your assignments along with the due dates. Under the student work section, all of your work will be divided by topic. If you look on the right side at the image, you're going to see that we have an introduction topic, and then underneath that introduction topic, you are going to see the listing of all your assignments. They will have the posted time as well as the due date. Also, another topic, Unit 1, Google. Underneath Unit 1, Google, you are going to see a listing of the assignments that are due underneath Unit 1, as well as when it was posted and the due date. The most current work will be listed at the top. The third tab is the Student tab. This is where you can check to see if your work has been turned in, or if it is missing, or if it has been graded. If it is missing, it will show up in red underneath the word missing. If it's been turned in, it will show up in black and it will read turned in. Once you have selected your work and have completed it, you will need to turn it in. In order for you to get your work from your Google Drive to your teacher's Google Drive, you need to select the Turn In button. On the document in the top right corner, you will see a button called Turn In. When you have finished your work, click on the button and it will be submitted to your teacher and show up as turned in underneath your Student tab. That's all for this PowerPoint. Please go back to the class website to see what your next activity is.